Fish intestines are a great source of nutrition for winter fertilization. Make a trench around the rose's root zone. Place the fish intestines inside, and then sprinkle some fermenting bacteria to speed up the decomposition process. By spring, the rose will have absorbed enough nutrients, leading to an explosion of shoots and flowers. When burying fish intestines for the rose, adding some of the decomposing bacteria will help. After a period of fermentation and decomposition, the necessary phosphorus and potassium elements will be produced, providing ample nutrients for next year's flowering and new shoots. Roses are in their dormant phase during the winter, but the cells in their roots are still slowly active and growing. The nutrients produced by fermentation will continuously supply the roots, helping them grow stronger without the risk of root burn. By the time the weather warms up next spring, the rose will rapidly resume its growth. The effect of fish intestine fertilizer is long-lasting. After fertilizing fish intestines for a whole year, there is basically no need for other fertilizers.